So guys, let's go ahead to take all our vertical measurements. So now from our shoulder, we're going to get our breast length, which is from the shoulder to on top of the nipple. And for this person, is actually 11. And now from the shoulder now to under the bust, we have 14 inches. And then from under the bust to the half length, we have 17 inches. So I'll just be marking all my vertical measurements, and I'll be using something like a ruler, but if you have a ruler, I can use that to just connect all the lines together. So I'm just going to be using my tape rule to recheck all the measurements. So I have 11 here, I have 14 here, and I also have 17 here, as you can see. So guys, the next thing I'll be going ahead to do is just for me to just measure my shoulder area. And so the shoulder I'm working with is 14 and a half inch, and 14 and a half inch divided into 2 gave me 7.025, oh sorry, 7.25. That is like 7 and a quarter. So now I will just measure that there, and from that area I'll go down to get my shoulder slope, in which I'll be going down by 1 inch, just like I can see, and I'll just connect it. But before connecting, I want to go and measure like how wide I want this to be. So I don't want this to actually be too close. So I'll be marking it at 3.5 inch wide, and the depth I'll just I'll just go down by also 3.5 inch, although I might still change this, but just for this pattern's sake. So guys, for to us determine our armhole, there is a method that Style by Reme uses, and I too also use that. So what we'll just be doing is that the bust for this person is actually 36 divided by 6 gave me 6, and then I will just be adding 1.5 inch, and that gave me 7.5. So I'll be going down here by 7.5. Any method you use in making, like in determining your armhole, is totally up to you. So I'll just mark it like you can see there. And so from that point, I will just try and just get that my 7, like what I got for my shoulder, which is 7.25. And okay, so it's just perfect. And I'll just be joining those lines together. So guys, after joining the line, this is what we have. And now I'll just be going on to divide this, what I have here, into 2. So 7.5 divided by 2 actually gave me 3.75. So my tape rule, this is 7, sorry, this is 3.5. So just be looking like 3.75. So that is just what is here. And then, so I'll just be sloping it by 0.5 inch. So guys, what we just try and connect it from this point to meet here, just like this. Then the next thing I'll be going ahead to do, so just know that this is now our chest line. So I'll just be marking it. So I'll label here the chest line, the breast length, the under bust, and also half length. So guys, that is can you see it? So I just measured it at this side, and then from here I'll just be curving it. Please don't mind my curve, I'm doing this with a free hand. And so I'll just be curving it into this area, just like you can see. So guys, now to get to the cocoa of this princess that, and now I'll be going to my breast length. Now from the middle, I have the person's breast mount. That is from one nipple to another nipple is actually 8, and so I'll just be measuring it like this. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I'll just take that measurement all through. So guys, after creating those points, I will just be connecting it together. So that is what So this is what it's looking like. What I'll be doing next is, for me, from this point, this our middle point here, I will just connect the line to the upper where it actually meets itself. So the next thing I'll be doing is for me to like create my darts, yes, on the waistline, like to make it fitted. So one thing I did was that after I measured the normal bust measurement of this person, it gave me 36 inches. Now the under bust measurement, I also went ahead to take that measurement, which I know is kind of weird, but I just did it so I'll be sure of what I'm doing. And I got 34 inches. So can you see, this is 36, this is 34. So the difference is what? 2 inches. And if we take 1 inch here, 1 inch for both sides, going to make up that 2 inch. So I'll just be going in on at this under bust by 1 inch. I'll also take the same 1 inch for the waist region also. So I'll just connect these two dots together. So after I've connected it like this, at this place here, remember I went down by one by okay, so remember these are breast length. I'll just be going down by half an inch at this place. I'll just try my best to connect to this one here. So guys, after connecting it, this is what I have. And then the next thing I'm going ahead to do is that at this chest region too, I also took its measurement, and around that chest region I got 30, and what we have here is 36, and what I have under the bust here is 34. So now the difference between the 36 and the 30 is actually 6 inches. So I'll just be going like, that is 3 inches, that is half. So guys, I have like 1.5 inch. So at this place here, I'll be taking in 1 inch here, and at this second side I'll just be taking half an inch here. Okay, so just balance that point. So what I'll just be doing is for me now to join it to this place here. So can you see? And I will do the same thing for this place. So I'm just gonna ahead to just create those lines, and then the next thing I'll be doing is for me to just bring them to this point, from here to this point here. So guys, I'm not using my free hand, but you can go ahead to use a ruler. So this is what we have. So almost through with that. Now the next thing that we're going to be doing is actually to replace all this. So I'll be taking the measurement all around here like this. And also I'll take the same measurement here. So I have exactly 12 inches at this region here, and I'll just be doing the same thing for this other side. So at the second side, I'll just roughly say I have 13 inches. So here is 13 inch and here is 12 inch. So I'll be going out by 1 inch. By 1 inch, and I'll just connect it. So this is going to serve as our new armhole, and I'll just connect it to the former one in this way. So as when we're joining it, we'll not have any issues. Okay, so guys, so that is basically all. Can you see the shape of our princess that is coming out really nice? The next thing I'm doing is for me to take all my vertical measurements, starting from the bust area. So I have the bust I'm working with is 36, and that is 9. So this is where the real bust is going to like begin, and I'm just be adding extra 2 inches, or let me just make it extra 2.5, not 2. So I'm adding extra 2 inches to this, and then I'll be going to my under bust. And under bust we have 1 inch here. So I'll just be connecting it. I remember that I told you guys that my under bust measurement is actually 34, and so divided is going to give me around 8.75. And I'll be adding extra 1 inch to replace that, and I'm not extra adding extra 2 inches for the seam allowance. Then for my waist region too, it's going to be the same measurement as this. So this one is giving me 11.75. So 11.75. So guys, next thing I'll just be doing is just connect this. It's actually looking weird, but to be honest, the person I'm working with, the shape is actually a middle-aged woman, and it's actually my mom. So I'll just be connecting everything, just like you can see. Okay, so this is what I have basically. So the next I'll be doing is to just cut out cut out this part, and also cut out this part. So guys, do you understand? Can you see? So now I'm going on ahead to cut it. So guys, thank you for watching, and in the next tutorial I'll be showing how to join the princess dart together. So if you know you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, also hit the like button. Thank you, bye.